looking for that CATnection. I acknowledge the value that you bring into our family. The challenge is that I can't have you getting kitty litter in my granola. Oh God. Can you look at me? We need to make eye contact, okay? No scratch. This is a positive thing. I mean, I could rub your belly maybe and, oh yes, okay. This is good. I thought you were gonna swat again. I'm trying to CATnext with you. I didn't mean to invade your space. You have your kinesthetic bubble, and I've got my kinesthetic bubble. Ha! We have to find some sort of mutual CATnection point here. You can't scratch me again. I want to shift that to the positive. We have an opportunity to be gentle with each other here in the way that we coexist in this family and in life. I acknowledge you. The challenge is you can't continue to scratch me and beat me up. ADVO Cats has to work. How can I help you help me? Yeah. Oh my God, please don't. I'm just trying to shake your hand. Ow! Ah. Okay, this is not working.